Guys, we will find out what's gonna do with this vacuum cleaner.
The new people who has recently joined, we have one of the new people who has recently joined.
Wow, Coke sayang.
One of the most important products what we have.
Oo, pwede ba tumayo?
Sales on this. We've been selling highest in this market.
And now we are...
Guys, we will check if the carpet washer is effective or not.
So we've got some Coke and some coffee here, and I think we're going to get some other milkshake and things maybe for the demo of the other carpet washer. But really I think the important thing is we could put yogurt down, we could put tin spaghetti, we could put an egg down. The extraction is really, really powerful on this product, so we can really put any kind of liquid. So let's just pretend we've had a bit of a spill and some coffee as well. So
Coke and coffee.
yeah. And the important thing is, if you can see it, to watch the floor head here, because you can see the extraction. We'll just flatten this out. It's a bit uneven, but you can see that everything that we spilt down there on the flat areas has been completely removed. So that's now all in this dirty water tank here, all of the Coke and the coffee that we put down. And anything we had thrown on the floor there, later we'll show it with milkshake, is directly extracted into this tank. And the solution, if there was embedded grease or grime, will have broken that down whilst the brush bars were spinning, to agitate that, to form that part of the liquid, and then it goes into here. So if you've cleaned your whole carpet, now this tank would be full, and this is a 4.7 litre tank, so this is the very, very biggest tank, so it's perfect for the largest areas. There's no bigger tank than this, so the capacity is the biggest, the room size is biggest, and then you just pour this away down the sink, you rinse it, and let it dry. The other great thing about this tank is that you can completely take it open like this, so you can really clean it properly and let it dry properly. Most carpet washer tanks only have that valve where you can pour it away, and then of course you always end up with some liquid and residue. It's really hard to dry. But if you want, you can just take this and you can clean it much, much better, let that dry, and it's completely clean and hygienic for the next use.
That's good.
If the coffee has been spread about 24 hours before or 2-3 days before, it would give the same result as it has given?
Yeah, and it's a really good question actually. Of course there's lots of different types of stains, dirt, and depending on how embedded they are, it might, if it's fresh stain, one pass. If it's been there for Coke you've had or coffee you've had for a year, then of course you might need 2 or 3 passes to do it, but absolutely we'll remove it, yeah. It just might need more detergent and more agitation. But yeah, of course, even a dry grease as well. Yeah. So again, when we were developing the detergent, we developed it in all types of different grease. And what was really important is that when we put a drop of detergent on the grease, you can see then the grease kind of dissolves into the detergent, and that then allows it to be extracted up back into the dirty water. So yeah, the grease as well.
We tried it yesterday on maple syrup.
And how long time you can use continuously this machine? How long?
Well, this is a very good question as well, thank you. Yeah, it depends on how you use it. So it has a 4.7 litre clean water tank and 4.7 litre recovery tank. And if you've got really heavy soiled areas, then you'll be pushing the trigger more, using more solution, and that will be a smaller area. If it's a quick clean, you'll be using less solution, and it's a much bigger area. So it depends on how you use it, but there's no other carpet washer you can use in a larger space because of the tank size capacity is so big.
So probably 4 or 5 hours or 6 hours.
So you would expect you could clean a large one like this with one set of tanks.
How many minutes? How many minutes?
How many minutes?
when the storage is full, then you have to stop. Throw the dirty water. There's no specific time. Bobo.
Buti pa si Lolo.
I-edit ko yun, friend, kasi sabi ko bobo. Ayaw ni YouTube din. Nakaintindi siya ng Tagalog.
Yeah, so you push. Yeah, that's a very good question. actually. Yeah. So when you depress the trigger,
What was the question?
so the question was, is the trigger just for the soap? So when you depress the trigger, because I'm in rinse mode, that automatically releases the soap and the water.
Yeah.
If I switch to rinse only mode, then when I press the trigger, it only
Only
releases
water.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
Anybody has any questions?
All right. Thank you.
Saif, are you able to understand? Wedding. You're selling, right? You've not sold any carpet washers?
Just one.
Just one. Okay.
Okay. So maybe we move.
Sir, what about the brushes?
Sorry.
What about the brushes? How frequent we have to change the brushes?
So you should never need to change your brush
Because-
Just
for
clean.
maintenance of washing them. So the brushes are made of very high quality materials. The antimicrobial will last the whole lifetime of the brush, and it's only the only maintenance should be to rinse the brushes and keep the brushes clean.
Because I have few customers who have that questions that brushes are bending. It's like the shape is gone.
Losing the shape.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess it depends on the use and the frequency of use, and how they've used it, if they've maintained it.
So, in market is it available? We can get it.
Through the service center, if there is any requirement.
We are getting from service center. We have in our
You have this spare or?
We don't have yet.
ये कभी आएंगे इस मार्केट में
Listen, ayaw.
It is yet to launch.
So somebody asked a question, what's the purpose of the bristles on the side?
Corners.
A big part of all of our products we develop, and when we talk about dry floor head, even more so I'll talk about later, is how the efficiency of the floor head. And how it works with the airflow path and the extraction to make it the most efficient. Now these bristles actually just help us with the liquid that's going down, help it direct so it stays into this path. If we lose these bristles, then the liquid can more easily go that way and the efficiency is less. So we put these bristles here just to, as much as possible, keep that liquid onto the path that you're cleaning. So it doesn't necessarily help agitate, but it just helps it stick to that one path.
Yeah. Meron pa.
Again, one.
Tanong dito, hindi rin.
So this is just for carpets. Yeah, just for carpets.
The other thing I want to show with this is that it extracts, like if we put the same lemon dip with the water, put in water
Yeah.
there and then it
Yeah.
extracts the same amount. If we can get this empty,
Yung isa.
just water that it
Yung
extracts
platinum.
exactly the same amount.
Pwede yun sa hard floor.
Like let's say for example, we have one water
If we have
water,
split of 1
yes,
liter,
split of 1 liter, it
Ay,
will
hindi
extract
lang
1
mo pa.
liter, exactly 1 liter.
Of course,
So if you want to
kasi
see
hindi
that,
naman
that's
siya 100%.
interesting as well. It's
that
possible.
would be interesting. Will you use the other one?
You can use the other one.
Meron dyan mababawas ng konti kasi i-absorb ng carpet.
Kaya nga.
Kasi not totally dry yung carpet na makukuha niya. So that's all for that carpet washer, and then we will take another video for another one.